How to disable calls on Snapchat mobile app. So if you want to disable calls on Snapchat mobile app, then first of all open up your Snapchat application, and after opening, now you can go to chats, and after opening your chats, you should know one thing, that we don't have the disable calls option on Snapchat, but there is a way. I'll show you that. So what you have to do is simply tap for 2 to 3 seconds on the person's chat, and after choosing, you will have a bunch of options. You can simply tap on chat settings, and before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And under the chat settings, you will have message notifications option. You can simply turn that off, and that's it. That's how you disable calls on Snapchat. That's the only way, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.